Hello, if your headphones or gaming headsets also have velour AirPod cushions, then you probably know that these AirPods are super comfortable, but they are also dust and debris magnets. That's why I will show you how I clean my headphones. The first step is to remove the AirPods. As you can see, they have collected a lot of dirt and dust. Take a cloth lint roller and use it to remove debris and hair. This method instantly freshens up your headphones. After that, be sure to remove the speaker protective fabric filters as well. A dirty filter can cause sound distortion, especially with bass-heavy music. If some hairs have gotten into the speaker cone, you can clean the speaker mesh with a slightly damp cloth. Once the AirPods are cleaned, wipe them with a clean cloth to get more cleaner. If your AirPods are extremely dirty, it's easier just to replace them. Finally, reinstall the speaker filters and put the AirPods back on. By doing this simple maintenance regularly, you can keep your headphones always looking clean and fresh.